Hello, my name is Andres Felipe Moncada, and I come to offer you this excellent tour package to Guadalajara of Urga. Only 750,000 pesos per person, 4 days, 3 nights. All inclusive, transportation, tour gear, hotel. Welcome to the wonderful city, a place where you will find wonderful histories, sites, and places that within them have years of tradition. Many stories to tell, and sure this place will capture you and you will be able to enjoy and get the best out of each one during these 4 days and 3 nights. You will enjoy the best thing of the beautiful city. You will visit the Lord of the Miracles. You will know important tourist sites of the city. You will delight in its delicious typical dishes, and you will enjoy natural, beautiful landscape. Call me. Thank you.